never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, don't show up.
Good morning, fellas. Hey, Alan here, and I'm on the Tracer today, on the Little Red Riding Hood. I'm on my way to Lamba Motorcycles because I want to pick up my TankPads to put them on, because I can't wait until the service, because they meant to do this for me when I have the first run-in service. However, I can't really wait until then, because I've been for about, here you go, almost 300 miles trip, so 293, okay, and already put very fine scratches to the tank, and I don't want to get it any worse, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to pick them up and put them on. Have oh, that's better. I had a visor open, didn't even realize that. Traffic in Croydon is crazy, boys. I suppose it's very early in the morning and this is school run time, so yeah, I understand that, but lucky to be on a motorbike because you can do this kind of stuff. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh yes, darling, oh yes, I will carry on straight. I'll see you guys at Lamba Motorcycles. Hey! Just had the tank pad fitted, and now we're heading home. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move